Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A51, and let me show you how to access user manual on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then you have to scroll down and choose tips and user manual. And finally smoothly click on user manual. Wait a couple of seconds and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and now you can come along with all details, starting with basics right here. And here you can come along with all details like battery, device layout and functions, SIM and user data, memory card, initial setup, and then read me first, like that's the general information. Then you can also open apps and features, and here you can check out all your features, all the applications that you have installed in your device. Then also go to the settings, and you can check, for example, connections, sound and vibration, notifications, display, wallpaper, themes, lock screen, biometrics and security, privacy, location, and lots of more. Just click here and then you've got the introduction, optimizing your device, for example. Let me show you this one, and here you've got the detailed instruction, and it's the same with every other feature. And finally you can also open appendix, and here you've got the troubleshooting feature and removing the battery. So this is it. This is how you can access and use user manual in your Samsung Galaxy A51. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.